Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be diving into the summer Margot Elena subscription box. Now this subscription is one of my personal favorites. It is on my top 10 list for a reason. The box and packaging and just the whole presentation is beautiful. But then on top of that, you receive really great items inside of this box as well. So I just love this one, you guys. I love it as a gift option. I love it as a treat box for myself as well. And I cannot wait to see what they have inside of the summer box. So we have the summer box here today. I have not cut the tape yet. I have no idea what's inside. So we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing and check it all out. Now, of course, if you guys are interested in this subscription box, I have a link down below along with a $10 off discount code. So thank you so much to Margot Elena for offering that to all of my viewers. If you purchase now, you will receive the exact same box that I'm going to show you guys, which is the summer 2024 box. So as I mentioned, the packaging is exquisite on this box. I mean, this one makes the packaging snob that lives within me very, very happy. So of all of the subscription boxes I get or that I purchase or that I try out, this one is by far the most beautiful box. I mean, it just, every single season, it's just beautiful, and I love what they do with their packaging. I mean, and it continues on the inside as well, but this is your first preview as to what to expect. But it's also why I say it makes a great gift option, because it's so beautiful that you could absolutely send this to somebody and it looks like you've gift wrapped it. So inside we have the Sublime Summer Box. Ooh, I like the color story. So definitely getting like these rich orange vibes. Like, it feels very warm. So this is our little card, and then inside it will tell you about all of the products that we're going to be receiving. Here's our retail value, by the way. So you can buy all of these products individually on their website, or you can buy the subscription box and save a whole lot more money that way and get all of them in one box. Just look at this packaging, you guys. I mean, just appreciate this with me for a second. All of the items in here have all been gift wrapped. So every single one of these is an individual product that they've wrapped up. It's all color coordinated. I mean, it's just so good. Like, I love that they do that. First up, we have a hand cream in the box. This is from Tokyo Milk. So this, I believe, is a full-size hand cream, and it says that it's shea butter. This is in the scent number 1. And it says that we're gonna smell orchid and air, white musk, bamboo reed, and tea. And it's 2.7 ounces for this bottle. So again, love the packaging, all of the gold accents on here, just so stinking pretty. This hand cream is $23 if you were gonna purchase it on their website. Now, you'll notice that Tokyo Milk is going to be one of the brands in the box. Margot Elena is a parent company to multiple different brands. So anything that Margot is a parent of could be in this box. So Tokyo Milk is one of those brands. Just in case if that sounded confusing, I was like, maybe I should clarify that. So this one has that scent profile of lily on it. Let me smell this real quick. Oh, that's really good. You know what's nice about this one is it smells really fresh, and I kind of like that for a hand cream. So I know it said there was a touch of white musk, but I really don't get much of that. I'm definitely getting that orchid, and it smells very clean, like bathroom scented clean. It smells like a lotion, but with a slight floral twist. The next item in the box is also from Tokyo Milk. This is their finest perfumed soap bar. We have a 5-ounce bar here. And isn't that bee just cute? It says just because on the front. I mean, again, you could totally gift this to somebody just because. Now this one smells exactly like a soap bar. I mean, honestly, I don't get anything else out of this except a clean soap bar. Do you know what I mean? Like, it just smells like that bathroom fresh, clean scent. That's all I really smell from this. I have used these bars in the past, and one thing I like is they are very gentle. They're a very soft, creamy lather. So I do think it'd be safe for sensitive skin as well. Oh, and if you wanted to purchase this bar of soap, it comes in at $12 for it. Next up is our fragrance for summer. Now, in every single one of the Margot Elena boxes, they will include a full-size fragrance bottle. The scent and the brand itself will change up, but you will usually get a fragrance in there. So this one is from Archive, and it is the Journey Within fragrance. So it's just a glass jar here, and it's 50 ml of product. This one's not as pretty. I kind of miss, I like all the flowers with bees or something like that. That's what I love about this box, but this one is very minimalist. It's just a square glass jar. Now the scent on this, oh, it's strong. I can tell. We're going to do a quick spritz here because I can tell there is something strong in it. But it's really good. It's got, I don't know why, but I'm getting a baby powder scent. What is that other one in there? But there's something like woodsy. I can't figure out what the note is though. It's something like a tree. So it kind of balances itself out. So it's a little bit feminine, but also a little bit masculine at the same time. It smells very unisex to me, at least. It's really good. But it also is a stronger fragrance that you're going to smell. I don't think you're going to need a lot of these spritzes because a little will go a long ways. I think if you do too many spritzes, it's going to be like, wow, intoxicating. But this one is $54 if you wanted to purchase that bottle on their website. Next item that I have in here. Oh, this is pretty. I love this. See, this is why I like this box, is when we get beautiful packaging like this. Oh my gosh, it's perfect for summer. This is from Lalia. It is the Always in Rose Shower Gel. So it's rose and hibiscus scented. This is a shower gel, and it will give you a great lather. I've used every one of these that I've ever received in this box. They really do lather up extra well, so you get lots of bubbles. It's a very gentle feel as well. Everything is made here in the US as well. I think I said as well like 3 times. Why do I keep doing that? But I'm just trying to give a good review that I really do like their shower gels. They're very nice. So this one is full size, beautiful packaging. Oh my gosh, I love that. Let's smell this. Oh yeah, definitely rose. So this is from Infinite She. It's a body lotion. Okay. So violet leaf and jasmine scented. This is 14 ounces. I told you it's big. And this is an all metal canister. There is a pump up here at the top, but really pretty packaging again on here. Love that. This one gives me a little bit more of like a modern look. I don't know. I feel like you could put this into like a really modern bathroom and it'd look beautiful. So this is, what did I say again? Violet leaf and jasmine. Let's go ahead and smell this. Let's see what it's like. Oh, I like this more. I really liked the shower gel, but this one is really good. So it's still floral, but it's sweet. And I really like the summer scent to this. Also, jasmine is such a great combination. Oh, that smells so good. Now, their lotions, again, very soft, but I do feel like they're hydrating. They're a thicker formula. So I do feel like it's got deep penetration with that cream. So it really gets into your skin. Gosh, I smell amazing. This one, okay, this is my favorite item in the box so far. We also have a candle inside of our box today. This one is made by the Cottage Greenhouse. It is called the Himalayan Salt and Rosewood Relaxing Candle. Ooh. So we have a hand-poured soy wax candle. This is a 4-ounce tin. Look at the packaging again. I mean, isn't that cute? Like, you guys, it's just, I don't have very many boxes like this that are very pretty. And I love how pretty and girly this box is. It makes me so happy. Ooh. Now this one, yeah, you can smell it. You definitely smell the rose, but that salt is crisp. Like, it's a very It smells like salted rose. I mean, all of their scents smell exactly like they say they're going to, but this one is a lighter rose. I don't think it's as strong as the rose and hibiscus shower gel. This is a softer, lighter touch of rose. It smells like a spa though, honestly. You get a single wick here, and like I said, it's all soy wax in here as well. I feel like if you were gonna go to the spa and get a facial done or anything, they would burn that candle. What? Our next item is a water bottle? This is gorgeous. Drink it all in, it says. Oh my goodness, 20-ounce stainless steel water bottle. And this says all things beautiful from Margot Elena. So it's a tin, like I said, stainless steel. It's a beautiful print. I love this. This is a good box for me, you guys. Like this one, I love everything we've had in here so far. We also have 2 lip balms in here as well from Infinite She. The first one is the Rose Hip and Hibiscus lip balm. Oh, looks like I have 2 of them. I have 2 Rose Hip and Hibiscus lip balms. Am I supposed to have 2? That seems unusual. Yeah, it says it's a free bonus item of set of 2 lip balms, $20 for 2 of these. Oh, well, cool. So we get 2 of them in the box, but they're in the exact same scent. So here's what it will look like. And their lip balms are really large. I do like that they give you a lot of product. It's 0.25 ounce or 7 grams. And last up inside of the box will be some greeting cards. This again, very standard for the Margot Elena box. So we have the You Are Radiant, Sparkling, Warm Kind card, and there is blank envelopes in here as well. So this is going to be a set of 3 cards, it looks like. You usually will receive cards of some kind in the box, but they do vary by size and like what they say on them. But I always think they're super cute. I love getting these. So that is everything inside of the Summer Margot Elena subscription box, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of the summer box today. I get summer. I really do. Especially with these hibiscus scents in there. I like that you're getting all those florals. But my 2 favorite items today is the water bottle, because it's just gorgeous. I mean, I can't say no to this. And also, this body lotion is so good. It smells fantastic. It's also not oily or greasy, so I like that. I mean, already my hand is just soft. It just goes right in, and it just smells wonderful. Like, I smell so good. So if you guys also want to smell good this summer, I do recommend this box. I'll be posting that link down below along with that discount code as well. And this is the box currently shipping. Keep in mind, these do sell out very quickly. And especially, I don't know why, but the summer months tend to sell out faster than the other quarters do. So if you're interested in this, I would not wait too long on it because I anticipate it will sell out quickly. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!